This shocking moment was captured on a car's dash cam. A massive truck tries to turn on the road, just as a bus was passing by. Heavy rain caused the truck's tires to slip, crashing straight into the bus. Dashcam reveals a shocking moment on Highway A27, where a van driver, distracted by his phone, speeds down the divided highway at Southbourne. He fails to notice a broken-down car ahead and crashes into it at 72 mph. The elderly driver is rushed to the hospital, and his leg is amputated. Life forever changed. The driver, Nathan Cole, admitted to checking social media while driving. He was sentenced at Lewis District Court on June 2025 to 2 years 4 months in prison and banned from driving for 4 years 4 months. A security camera caught a startling three-car collision in South Kalimantan on May 7, 2025, at around 2:26 p.m. local time near Simpang 4 Desa Barikin on A, Yani Street. A Fortuner driven by a bank commissioner slammed into a Grand Max, whose driver, allegedly drowsy, lost control, and both then hit a third vehicle, possibly an Innova. Remarkably, there were no serious injuries, only minor scrapes and sprains, serving as a severe wake-up call to remain alert on the road and avoid driving while drowsy. Court footage reveals the harrowing 2020 killing of rapper Mo3 on Interstate 35E in Dallas on November 11, 2020. Mo3 exited his vehicle and attempted to flee on foot, only to be chased by an armed assailant who fired multiple rounds, fatally wounding him at the scene and later leading to his death in the hospital. The chilling chase and shooting were presented in court, deeply affecting Mo3's mother. In 2025, Dallas rapper Yella Beezy was indicted on capital murder for hire charges for allegedly orchestrating the hit. A shocking moment was caught on camera as a heavily loaded truck, carrying pipes, crates, and sacks, attempted to board a ferry via a steep ramp. Due to the excessive weight, the truck suddenly rolled backward, causing several items to spill onto the ground. An intense moment caught on camera. A police officer rammed his vehicle into fleeing criminals, stopping them in their tracks. The impact left one suspect dead and another injured. Security footage from Depalpur shows a drunk driver losing control and crashing his car into parked milk delivery vehicles. Thankfully, no one was injured in this late-night incident near Shahid Bhagirath College. Caught on camera, a passenger van suffers a serious accident on the Comalcalco-Cunduacan highway in Tabasco. The footage shows the vehicle abruptly losing control, causing a tense and frightening moment for those involved. Thankfully, no graphic injuries are shown. Footage from Tatarstan shows a passenger car tragically struck head-on by one truck and then another on the highway. The dashcam captures the moment. The impact is clear, and sadly both the driver and passenger died at the scene. We have no further verified details. Authorities are investigating. On the Bahau Rompin Road in Jempol, a shocking accident was caught on camera. A bus suddenly swerved into the opposite lane and crashed directly into an oncoming car. Sadly, a 61-year-old woman lost her life instantly, while her husband suffered only minor injuries. Authorities are now investigating the cause of the